Got some really nice broth here, some tapioca noodles. Nice little lunch, really. Gorgeous. Hello from Vietnam. We are here in Saigon, Ho Chi Minh City, on a month-long trip to learn as many recipes as I can for a book I'm writing. Today we are right around the corner from a little place called the Lunch Lady, which is one that was becoming very popular by Anthony Bourdain back when he visited there. So looking forward to giving that a try. Why don't you come along with us and enjoy it too. Also in this episode, we'll be trying street food in a little alleyway we found. Then we'll be trying out a place called The Secret Garden, and this place was quite nice, beautiful view. And we'll be finishing it up with a visit to a chicken and beef pho restaurant that's very popular with the locals. So we've made it to the Lunch Lady, and we've got bun bo hue. Each day we make a different soup recipe or noodle recipe, and today it's a beef bun bo hue, and we got loads of different things that we can put on it. So we got some chili there, which I'm just going to go ahead and put some of that on there. Nice squeeze of lemon. Oh, I can hardly wait to get into this. This looks so nice. And then some fresh chilies there as well. And we'll get some of these sprouts to put on there as well. Yeah. Okay, let's give this a try. That is so good. If you pay a visit to the Lunch Lady, be sure to get there early. She makes one delicious pot of noodles each and every day, but when it's gone, it's gone. Our bowls cost us about £1.50, so just under $2 each. Great value for money, and it was one of the nicest meals we'd had in a long time. With our meals finished, we decided to move on, see what else we could find. And find we did. We found a great little place, just in a little alleyway, to try lots of different things. All right, so we've just come across this little alleyway here that serves, there's lots of different street food. We're gonna go in, we're gonna give some of it a try. There's noodle dishes, there's a few fried goods as well. Come along and you can enjoy along with us. We had some delicious food, but also had a camera malfunction. Luckily, we got this Hue to Me filmed, and it was so nice. So it consisted of nice thick tapioca noodles. That was topped with prawn, some sausage, a couple of slices of pork, quail's egg. It was just, it's too good to it's spring onions. We had some fried onions as well, and also a nice big dose of chili. This was all covered with an amazing pork and prawn broth, and then topped with a piece of congealed pig's blood, which didn't have a lot of flavor, but the texture helped round off the dish perfectly. All right, so this looks really nice. We've got some Vietnamese sausage here. Give that a try. Tapioca noodles. Gonna try some broth. The broth is really nice. pork and prawn broth. Loving the little chair as well. I think this is the smallest chair I've sat in since I was in kindergarten. So we have just walked the 15 minutes from our hotel to the secret garden, and we are going to be trying some of the food in there. Heard some really good things, so let's go on up. So what can I say about the secret garden? Well, it's interesting, and also it's a bit kitsch. We liked it. You have to walk up 4 flights of stairs, and the restaurant is actually on a terrace on top of an apartment block. And yes, there are people living in the apartment, so it's right up there on top, but it's worth the walk. I'm not going to go too much into the food here, which was fantastic, but the target audience is Western tourists, and you can expect to pay Western prices or close to it. But if delicious food in a beautiful setting is what you're looking for, you'll find it here. The menu was extensive and featured many Vietnamese favorites. We went for banh xeo, which we actually made the night before on the food tour, and also a snakehead fish, which was baked with different spices, and it was really good. Caroline liked the place because she could get a good glass of wine, which isn't available at most Vietnamese restaurants. It's what we saw when we got back downstairs that really caught our attention. You know, when you get a picture in your head of what a place is like. Well, after reading many travel books and watching videos, this is not what I had pictured for Vietnam. Wait for it. Scooters in the mosh pit, right on the main street of Saigon's District 1. There was no way we were going to try to get to the front of that. We settled for a bar. We watched it, had over a few drinks, and it was a fantastic experience. And totally unexpected. Watching the music and drinking beer made us hungry again, so we decided to go out and look for some pho. We checked out the pho scene and chose this restaurant because it was midnight and there were still loads of people outside, so it had to be good. This is a mixture of chicken and beef pho, and so I've never had that before, and gonna give it a try. Has lots of fresh herbs here. Has some mint.
The herbs look amazing.
Yeah.
Mint and basil.
Really nice stuff here. Yeah.
This bar I think is about £2.50.
£2.50, not bad for £2.50, I'll tell you.
It's very, very good. I just love the way they serve all those really fresh herbs with it.
You put some lime on mine.
Lime, and then you've got the whole tray.
I guess you're supposed to use the other side of your chopstick to put some chilies on.
We're still learning about chopsticks.
Yeah. There we are. We got some chilies on there now. Yeah. Really good. Great.
Some oil on yours, Dan. Some chili oil.
Now perhaps it was the jet lag or even the beer. This is where we would normally sign off at the end of what was an amazing stay in Saigon, but we forgot. Instead, we jetted back to our hotel to have a quick rest and gather our things. We had a 5 a.m. train to catch to Nha Trang. So if you'd like to see what we got up to and the amazing food we tried, be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. That part of our amazing journey from South to North Vietnam is up next. Thanks very much for watching. We'll leave you with some of the views from the train.